Hey y'all, I'm Kwana Lachey. Thank you for watching. If you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're just gonna get right into it. So today I'm doing a sleek puff and like a fun summer look on my friend Tia. So we're pretty much just starting out by using some water to get her hair wet, and then we're gonna go and use some moisturizing something from Mielle Organics. It's like a curl smoothie. So I'm using that to get our hair soft. And then I detangle that, and now I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster to help to smooth the hair out. And I also go in between the sections since it was such a big section, and then I just use water again to help distribute that product throughout the section, and I'll just detangle again. And now I'm going to use this soft bristle brush to help to further smooth the hair. And I know right now this doesn't look super smooth. I actually didn't really like this Style Factor Edge Booster Gel that much. This was my first time using it, and I didn't think it was that great. So if you have Eco Styler or Wetline Extreme, I think those work great. So I actually switched to using Eco Styler halfway through this. But anyways, we're just going to continue doing the same thing. We're going to go spray with water, use the curl smoothie, detangle, and then we will go and use the gel to help smooth. First using the detangling brush, and then we will switch to using the hard bristle brush. So again, yeah, this is where I switched and started using Eco Styler, and instantly it looks so much better. It's like actually smoothing it out. You can see her waves all up in there. It looks real nice. And now we're just gonna join the two sections together and detangle it through again. Continue smoothing to keep the hair stretched. And then I'm just gonna clip it up again. Doing the same exact thing. This is very simple and really self-explanatory, honestly. So now we're in the front of her hair, and Tia requested a middle part, so I'm just gonna give her a middle part. And then pretty much do the same exact thing. The only thing we're going to do different here in the front of her head is that we're going to really try to get it smooth. And then we're going to do some work on her edges to make sure that the whole look is pretty sleek, or as sleek as we can get it. So here we are. This is just after it's all been smooth. So now I'm just going to go in and smooth it again with the soft bristle brush. And then we're going to put it in a loose bun. And then we're going to use the Edge Booster Edge Control, which I do actually like the Edge Control. This is honestly probably the best Edge Control I've ever used. This is the only one that like you can use and it actually stays like in place for more than like 5 minutes. So yeah, I just use a comb to smooth the edges. I was struggling with this little sideburn swoop over here because your girl's hair was longer than most right there. Anyway, so this is where we are. So then I'm gonna go in with gel again and smooth it all together one more time, going over it with more of the edge control, and then I'll go over it again with more of the Eco Styler gel, and then I'm just gonna tie it down, and we'll go back to the hair later and do the puff. So now I'm doing the eyebrows. I primed, and then I'm just gonna start filling it in. I'm using this pencil that's honestly way too dark, but it all comes together at the end. So also, Tia doesn't believe in getting her eyebrows groomed, so these are her natural brows. And so I'm pretty much just working with what I got here, with the shape that she already has, and then doing my best to clean it up with concealer. gonna go over the top as well. She wanted to keep them thin, so that's what we're going for here. Now I'm just gonna use a lighter concealer to prime Tia's eyelids for the eyeshadow. So I'm starting with like this pinkish purplish color. That's the James Charles palette. And after I went in with the darker pink, this is like a lighter pink that I'm using to like blend it out. So then I'm going to use this purple and also blend that out. I'm honestly doing very simple blending here. And then I'm doing a cut crease, which was honestly unnecessary, but that's what we're doing. Fun fact, Tia has troubles being still, so she was doing a lot of twitching because she doesn't wear makeup and isn't used to having her makeup done. So this was honestly hilarious. This video was over 2 hours long, and I somehow was able to edit it down to be this short so that people would actually watch it. Anyways, I'm using this dark blue, and then I'm gonna go over it with this lighter blue in the center. I'm just gonna blend those together. So here I took that same pink shade that I started with, that was a little darker, and I used it over the outer third of her eye, and it turned it to this pretty shimmery purple shade. So yeah, we did that, and then I'm just gonna go and blend more with that lighter blue shade. And now we're using these real cheap eyelashes that I got actually in the mail with one of my wigs. But yeah, so we're gonna use that and then start with her foundation. I'm using one of these dollar sponges that come in the giant packs on Tia's face. We're just gonna blend that all out until she is one color. And now I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's a darker concealer, so we're gonna use that to do a subtle contour. I'm using this spoon brush from Real Techniques. And now I'm going to use that same concealer that I used to clean up her eyebrows to brighten her under eye. So now I'm gonna set those places that I highlighted her face with my same mixture that I always use, the Makeup Revolution Powder and Banana and the Coty Airspun, and then here I'm using the Black Radiance. I don't even know what kind of powder this is, but it'll be in the description box. I'm gonna use that to set her contour. And then I'm using this knockoff Kylie blush that I got off the side of the street in New York. And blush her cheeks. Isn't Tia's skin so beautiful and soft looking? Look, she was already feeling herself. We ain't even halfway in. No, I'm kidding. So now I'm going to use this It's My Ray Ray palette. I don't think this is sold anymore. It's from BH Cosmetics, but she has a second palette with them that's out now. And all of the highlight shades are the same. The eyeshadows are just different. So, and it's really cheap. So anyways, I'm going to highlight her brow bone, her nose, like above her lip. And then, yeah, now the camera's finally back in focus, I'm going to use this little fan brush and highlight there as well. And we're going to blend a little bit. Now I'm going to use another Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use that same, well, one of the pinks that I started off with to blend her lower lash line with her yeah, with the rest of it that's going on. Here I kept telling Tia to look up so I could do her lower lashes, but again, she didn't want to act right, so we didn't even really get to do all that. Now I'm using this liquid lipstick from Milani. It's one of the metallic shades, and I'm also using this Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip. And so I used the Black Radiance one to do like the outer portion of her lips, and then the metallic one inside. Now we're going to go back to the hair. All you do is take the little clip that's on the bottom, stick it in, then pull the drawstring and literally wrap it around, put some bobby pins in it, and you're done. So this is what her hair is looking like. And this is pretty much it. Her edges look great. Sometimes that edge booster leaves like a little bit of a white cast, and you can see a little more here because of the lighting. But anyways, it does a great job. Tia looks great. She was real happy with what she looked like, and I love this blue. It's great for summer. While we have a little bit of time left to wear some colors, you should definitely do something like this. And that is it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and watch my other videos if you haven't. Bye!